Thailand so much.
You can go visit in Patulung. We have Klay Noi. You can go visit the beautiful buffalo and beautiful flower there.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for letting us know.
Have a good trip.
You too.